Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 3 AI stocks in India that have the potential to 10 times by 2030. If you're looking to invest in the future, you won't want to miss this. Seriously, AI is not just some fancy buzzword anymore. It's like the internet was in the late 90s. A fundamental shift, a game changer, and for us investors, potentially a goldmine. We're talking about companies that are not just using AI, but are at the forefront of building and deploying AI solutions that could redefine industries. And India, boss. India is right in the thick of this AI revolution. We've got the talent, the ambition, and the market. Now, when I say 10 times, I know some of you might be thinking, Ronish Bhai, are you serious? And yes, it's ambitious, no doubt. But think about it, the kind of disruption AI is bringing, the efficiencies it's unlocking, the new markets it's creating. It's massive. We're not just picking stocks that are dabbling in AI, we're looking for companies where AI is becoming a core part of their DNA, their growth engine. This isn't about quick flips. This is about identifying potential long-term wealth creators. So grab your chai, get comfortable, because we're going deep into the nitty-gritty of these AI powerhouses. Today, we'll be dissecting 3 specific players: Tata Elxsi, Infosys, and HCL Technologies. Each of these has a unique approach to AI, different strengths and varying market positions, but all of them, in my opinion, have that X factor, that potential to really leverage AI for exponential growth in the coming years. We'll look at what they're doing, why it matters, and what makes them stand out from the crowd. Remember, this is for informational purposes. Do your own research before investing, but I'm here to give you the full download, the scene, the inside scoop as I see it. Let's get started. Alright, first up is Tata Elxsi. Now, these guys are interesting, really interesting. They're not your typical IT services company. Think of them more as a specialized design and technology services company. They've been around for a while, part of the Tata Group, so that trust factor is definitely there. But what makes them relevant for this discussion is their deep dive into AI, especially in sectors like automotive, media, and healthcare. They're not just slapping AI onto existing stuff. They're engineering solutions from the ground up with AI at the core. This is crucial, boss. Their work in the automotive sector, for example, is mind-blowing. We're talking AI for autonomous driving systems, advanced driver assistance systems, ADS, and even in-car experiences. Imagine your car not just being a mode of transport, but a smart companion, learning your preferences, ensuring your safety, all powered by sophisticated AI algorithms. Tata Elxsi is one of the key players making this happen, working with global automotive giants. This isn't just some futuristic dream, it's happening now, and the potential for growth here is immense as cars become more like computers on wheels. Then there's their involvement in the media and broadcast industry. AI is revolutionizing how content is created, managed, and delivered. Tata Elxsi is developing AI-powered platforms for things like intelligent content tagging, personalized recommendations, and even automating parts of the production workflow. Think about how OTT platforms work, how they know exactly what you want to watch next. There's a lot of AI magic happening behind the scenes, and companies like Tata Elxsi are providing the tools and expertise. This is a huge market, and it's only going to get bigger. Healthcare is another massive area where Tata Elxsi is making significant inroads with AI. They are involved in developing AI solutions for medical devices, diagnostic tools, and patient monitoring systems. Imagine AI algorithms that can detect diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before, or smart devices that help manage chronic conditions more effectively. This is not just about business, it's about making a real impact on people's lives, and the demand for such AI-driven healthcare solutions is exploding globally. Tata Elxsi is positioning itself cleverly here. One of their key strengths is their integrated approach, combining design thinking with hardcore engineering and AI expertise. This allows them to create solutions that are not just technologically advanced, but also user-friendly and highly relevant to specific industry needs. They have platforms like Tether for connected car solutions and AIVA for AI-based video analytics, which are testaments to their product engineering capabilities. These aren't just services, these are becoming intellectual properties, which adds another layer of value. Financially, if you look at their numbers, they've been showing consistent growth. Their focus on high-growth sectors and their ability to command premium pricing for their specialized services have served them well. The AI component is increasingly becoming a larger part of their revenue mix, and this is a trend I expect to accelerate. As more and more industries adopt AI, companies like Tata Elxsi, with their proven track record and deep domain expertise, are likely to be major beneficiaries. Now let's talk about the 10 times by 2030 potential for Tata Elxsi. Why do I think it's possible? Well, first, the markets they operate in, automotive, media, healthcare, are all undergoing massive AI-driven transformations. Second, their niche positioning as a design-led engineering company gives them an edge. They're not just coders, they are solution architects. Third, the Tata brand brings stability and access to a larger ecosystem. This provides a solid foundation for aggressive growth. Of course, there are risks. Competition is fierce and retaining top AI talent is always a challenge. Technological obsolescence is another factor. They need to constantly innovate to stay ahead. However, their consistent investment in R&D and their focus on building long-term client relationships mitigates some of these risks. They seem to understand the game they are in, and they are playing it strategically, not just tactically. This long-term vision is what often separates the winners. Their ability to customize AI solutions for very specific complex industrial problems is a key differentiator. Many AI companies offer generic platforms, but Tata Elxsi goes deep into the domain. For instance, in autonomous driving, it's not just about object recognition, but about real-time decision-making in complex environments, and that requires specialized AI. This depth of expertise is hard to replicate quickly, giving them a moat, however small, in certain segments. Furthermore, their global footprint is expanding. While India is a key market and talent hub, they serve clients across North America, Europe, and Asia. This diversification helps them tap into different growth opportunities and also de-risks their business to some extent from regional economic slowdowns. As AI adoption becomes a global phenomenon, their international presence will be a significant advantage in scaling up their operations and revenue. Consider also the network effects within the Tata Group. Collaborations with other Tata companies, like Tata Motors or TCS, can lead to synergistic opportunities and access to larger projects. This internal ecosystem can act as an incubator for new AI solutions and provide a ready market for their innovations. It's an advantage that standalone companies might not have, providing a certain level of stability and potential for cross-selling. The leadership at Tata Elxsi also seems to have a clear vision for AI. They're not just chasing trends, they are making strategic bets on areas where they can build sustainable competitive advantages. This focus is critical, especially in a rapidly evolving field like AI, where it's easy to get distracted. Their investor communications often highlight AI as a key growth driver, indicating that it's central to their long-term strategy. Another point to consider is their focus on creating platforms and reusable IP. This is a shift from a purely services-based model to one that includes more product-like offerings. Platforms like AI VA, AI Video Analytics, can be licensed to multiple clients, leading to higher margins and more scalable revenue streams compared to purely project-based work. This scalability is crucial if they are to achieve that 10 times growth we're talking about. So, when you put all these pieces together, their specialized focus, strong execution, growing AI portfolio, the Tata backing, and the massive tailwinds from AI adoption across key industries, Tata Elxsi starts to look like a very compelling story. It's not without its challenges, like any growth stock, but the potential upside, driven by their AI prowess, makes them a strong contender in my book for significant long-term growth. Finally, what investors need to watch for is their ability to continue winning large deals in the AI space, their margin trajectory as the AI business scales, and their investments in R&D to maintain their technological edge. If they can keep executing on these fronts, the path to substantial value creation seems quite clear. It's a stock that requires patience, but the underlying business fundamentals in the AI domain are very strong. Next on our list, we have Infosys. Now, everyone knows Infosys, right? One of the giants of the Indian IT industry, a bellwether stock for many. But what's exciting now is how they're reinventing themselves and putting AI, especially generative AI, at the heart of their strategy. They've launched Infosys Topaz, which is their comprehensive AI-first offering. And believe me, it's a big deal. It's not just a new service line, it's a signal of a fundamental shift in how they approach business. Infosys Topaz is designed to help enterprises accelerate their AI journey. It combines data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning capabilities with a suite of services and platforms. The idea is to provide clients with an end-to-end solution, from strategizing their AI roadmap to implementing and managing AI-powered systems. This is super important because many companies are struggling with how to actually adopt and scale AI effectively. Infosys is positioning itself as the partner to help them do just that. What I find particularly interesting about Infosys's AI strategy is its focus on generative AI. This is the kind of AI that can create new content, whether it's text, images, or code. Think ChatGPT, but for enterprise applications. Infosys is building solutions using generative AI to help clients with everything from software development and content creation to customer service and business process automation. The potential here is enormous, and Infosys is investing heavily to be a leader in this space. They are also focusing on responsible AI. This is a critical aspect, boss. As AI becomes more powerful, it's essential to ensure that it's used ethically and responsibly. Infosys is developing frameworks and tools to help clients manage the risks associated with AI, such as bias, transparency, and security. This focus on responsible AI will be a key differentiator, especially for large enterprises that are very conscious of their brand reputation and regulatory compliance. Infosys is not just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. They're investing significantly in training their workforce in AI skills. They aim to train tens of thousands of employees on generative AI and other advanced AI technologies. This is crucial because talent is the biggest bottleneck in the AI industry. By upskilling their massive employee base, Infosys is creating a formidable AI army that can deliver complex AI projects at scale. Consider the sheer scale of Infosys. They work with some of the largest companies in the world across various industries: banking, retail, manufacturing, healthcare, you name it. This gives them a unique advantage in deploying AI solutions. They have deep domain knowledge and long-standing client relationships, which makes it easier for them to understand client needs and co-create AI solutions that deliver real business value. This existing client base is a ready market for their AI offerings. Financially, while the IT sector has faced some headwinds recently, the demand for AI-led digital transformation is a long-term tailwind. Infosys is betting that its AI capabilities will help it capture a larger share of this growing market. The investments in Topaz and generative AI are expected to drive future growth and improve margins as they move towards more value-added services. It's a strategic pivot that could re-energize their growth trajectory. The 10 times potential for Infosys, driven by AI, comes from several factors. First, the sheer size of the AI market. We're talking trillions of dollars globally in the coming decade. Even a small slice of this pie for Infosys would mean substantial revenue growth. Second, their ability to scale. Infosys has the infrastructure, processes, and talent pool to deliver AI solutions to a vast number of clients globally. This is something smaller, niche AI players might struggle with. Third, their comprehensive offering with Topaz. By providing an integrated suite of AI services and platforms, they can offer a one-stop-shop solution for enterprises. This simplifies the AI adoption journey for clients and creates stickiness. Fourth, their focus on generative AI. This is a cutting-edge technology with transformative potential, and if Infosys can establish itself as a leader here, the upside could be massive. It's about being ahead of the curve. Of course, Infosys faces challenges too. The IT services market is highly competitive, with both traditional players and new-age AI companies vying for market share. They need to continuously innovate and differentiate their offerings. Moreover, the adoption of AI by large enterprises can be slow and complex, requiring significant change management. Infosys needs to be not just a technology provider, but also a transformation partner for its clients. Their global delivery model, which has been a strength for decades, can be leveraged effectively for AI projects. They can tap into AI talent from around the world and deliver solutions cost-effectively. This model, combined with their investments in local talent development in key markets like the US and Europe, gives them a flexible and resilient operational setup. This is important for executing large, complex AI transformations for global clients. Another aspect is their ecosystem of partnerships. Infosys collaborates with leading technology providers, cloud hyperscalers like AWS, Azure, GCP, and AI startups. This allows them to bring the best-of-breed solutions to their clients and stay at the forefront of technological advancements. These partnerships are crucial for building comprehensive AI solutions that integrate various technologies and platforms seamlessly. Think about the data aspect as well. AI thrives on data, and Infosys, through its long-standing engagements with clients, often has access to or helps manage vast amounts of enterprise data. Their ability to help clients unlock the value of this data using AI tools like Topaz is a significant value proposition. From data engineering to building sophisticated AI models, they cover the entire data lifecycle. This is a foundational element for any successful AI strategy. The commitment from the top leadership at Infosys towards AI is also very evident. The CEO and other senior executives frequently talk about AI as a key pillar of their growth strategy. This top-down focus ensures that the entire organization is aligned and mobilized towards achieving their AI ambitions. Such clarity of vision is essential for navigating the complexities and uncertainties of a rapidly evolving technological landscape. So for Infosys, the AI story is about leveraging its scale, client relationships, and new platforms like Topaz to capture a significant share of the burgeoning AI market. It's about transforming from a traditional IT services provider to an AI-first transformation partner. If they execute well on this strategy, the potential for growth is substantial, making them a key player to watch in the Indian AI stock landscape. It's a giant awakening to a new era of tech. Chapter 3: HCL Technologies, Engineering AI for a Hyper-Automated Future. And finally, let's talk about HCL Technologies. HCL Tech is another major player in the Indian IT services landscape, known for its engineering and R&D services, infrastructure management, and a strong focus on digitalization. What makes HCL Tech particularly interesting in the AI context is their pragmatic approach, focusing on applying AI to solve real-world business problems and drive automation and efficiency for their clients. They are really good at the how-to of AI implementation. HCL Tech has been strategically infusing AI across its service lines. It's not just a separate AI division. It's about embedding AI capabilities into everything they do, from application development and maintenance to cloud services and cybersecurity. Their AI philosophy seems to be very business outcome-oriented. They're asking, how can AI help our clients save money, improve customer experience, or innovate faster? This practical approach resonates well with enterprises. One of their key AI platforms is DRYiCE, which is a suite of AI-powered automation products. DRYiCE focuses on areas like IT operations, AIOps, business process automation, and employee productivity. For example, it can help automate routine IT tasks, predict system failures, and provide intelligent assistance to employees. This focus on automation is a huge value proposition for clients looking to optimize their operations and reduce costs. It's about making businesses leaner and meaner with AI. Recently, HCL Tech also launched HCL Tech AI Force, a generative AI platform designed to accelerate AI adoption for enterprises. This platform aims to provide pre-built models, tools for customization, and a framework for responsible AI development, helping clients build and deploy Gen AI solutions more quickly and efficiently. This shows their commitment to staying at the forefront of AI innovation and providing clients with access to the latest technologies. They are not just users of AI, but creators of AI-enabling platforms. HCL Tech's strength in engineering and R&D services gives them an edge in developing sophisticated AI solutions, especially in industries like manufacturing, life sciences, and high-tech. They understand the product lifecycle and can help clients embed AI into their products and processes. This deep engineering DNA is a differentiator, especially when it comes to AI in the physical world, like IoT and smart manufacturing. It's not just about software AI, it's about AI that interacts with machines and physical systems. Their client-centric approach is also noteworthy. HCL Tech often engages in co-innovation with its clients, working closely with them to develop bespoke AI solutions tailored to their specific needs. This collaborative model helps build strong long-term relationships and ensures that the AI solutions deliver tangible business outcomes. They are known for their flexibility and willingness to go the extra mile for their clients, which is crucial in complex AI projects. Financially, HCL Tech has a solid track record of growth and profitability. Their investments in AI and other digital technologies are expected to be key growth drivers in the coming years. As enterprises increasingly prioritize AI-led transformation, HCL Tech, with its strong capabilities and client relationships, is well positioned to benefit. The market is recognizing their AI push, and it's reflecting in how analysts view their future prospects. So, what about the 10 times growth potential for HCL Tech by 2030, fueled by AI? Firstly, their strong presence in high-growth areas like cloud, IoT, and cybersecurity, all of which are increasingly intertwined with AI, provides a solid foundation. AI is a natural extension and amplifier for these services. Secondly, their focus on automation and operational efficiency through platforms like DRICE addresses a critical need for enterprises worldwide. The demand for AI-driven automation is insatiable. Thirdly, their engineering heritage allows them to tackle complex AI implementations that go beyond standard IT services. This includes AI for industrial automation, medical devices, and telecom network optimization. These are high-value niches where specialized expertise is required. Fourth, their strategic acquisitions have also helped bolster their AI capabilities and expand their market reach. They are not afraid to acquire talent and technology to accelerate their AI journey. However, like any other company, HCL Tech faces its share of challenges. The competition in the AI services market is intense, and they need to constantly innovate to stay ahead. Attracting and retaining top AI talent is an ongoing battle. Furthermore, ensuring the ethical and responsible deployment of AI solutions is a critical consideration that requires continuous attention and investment. These are industry-wide challenges, but HCL Tech seems to be addressing them proactively. Their focus on Mode 1-2-3 strategy, where Mode 2 is about digitalization and Mode 3 is about products and platforms, is where AI plays a significant role. AI is a key enabler for their Mode 2 services, helping clients modernize their IT landscape and build digital capabilities. And platforms like DRICE and AI Force are part of their Mode 3 strategy, creating scalable IP-led revenue streams. This balanced approach helps them manage existing business while investing in future growth areas. HCL Tech's investments in AI labs and centers of excellence dedicated to AI research and development are also crucial. These initiatives help them explore emerging AI technologies, develop new solutions, and build expertise in specialized AI domains. This commitment to R&D is essential for maintaining a competitive edge and driving innovation in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. It shows they are serious about being leaders, not just followers. Consider their global delivery network and their relationship beyond the contract philosophy. This has helped them build deep trust with their clients. When it comes to adopting transformative technologies like AI, trust is paramount. Clients are more likely to partner with a provider they trust to guide them through the complexities and deliver on their promises. HCL Tech has cultivated this trust over many years. The increasing adoption of generative AI across industries presents a massive opportunity for HCL Tech. Their AI Force platform is specifically designed to help enterprises harness the power of Gen AI. From code generation and content creation to customer service and drug discovery, the use cases for Gen AI are vast. and HCL Tech is positioning itself to be a key enabler in this space. This proactive stance on emerging AI trends is a positive sign. In essence, HCL Tech's AI story is about practical innovation, deep engineering capabilities, and a strong focus on delivering business value through AI-driven automation and transformation. Their established client base, robust delivery model, and strategic investments in AI platforms and talent make them a formidable player. If they continue to execute effectively and capitalize on the AI wave, they have a strong potential for significant growth in the years leading up to 2030. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more investment tips and insights. See you in the next one. We've covered a lot of ground today, diving deep into Tata Elxsi, Infosys, and HCL Technologies, three Indian companies that I believe are strongly positioned to leverage the AI revolution for potentially exponential growth. Remember, the goal here was to give you a detailed perspective, the seen Kaya high with these stocks and their AI strategies. The journey to 10 times returns by 2030 is a marathon, not a sprint, and AI is undoubtedly one of the most powerful engines that can drive that kind of growth. Each of these companies has its unique strengths and approaches, but the common thread is their serious commitment to making AI a core part of their future. As always, this isn't financial advice, boss. Please do your own thorough research and due diligence, or consult with your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The stock market has its own risks, and it's important to invest wisely. What are your thoughts on these AI stocks? Are there any other Indian AI players you're bullish on? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys and discussing these things. Your engagement really helps the channel grow and allows us to bring more such deep dives. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope this breakdown helps you in your investment research. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and stay awesome.